Introducing Electrolab, the first educational electronic prototyping case to teach, create and program. An educational tool to create any invention in an easy and safe way. What are you waiting for? Discover what's inside. When you open it, you will find the main board. In it, you can see different areas where the necessary components are grouped to make your inventions. 0. Microcontroller, the brain of the device. 1. Analog inputs with sensors such as light, temperature, microphone and potentiometer. 2. Digital inputs and outputs, from light push buttons to a tilt sensor. 3. Digital outputs, including an RGB LED, a buzzer and an LED matrix to represent animations. 4. Screen, to display texts and numbers. 5. Prototyping board as an area for the creation of new circuits. 6. Power supply, available to expand your projects. 7. Supersonic effects, to make light effects and measure distances with an ultrasonic sensor. 8. Communications with an infrared sensor, a Wi-Fi module and Bluetooth. 9. Continuous rotation and servo motors. 10. Storage on a micro SD memory card combined with a digital clock. 11. Other advanced sensors such as an accelerometer or an ambient sensor capable of measuring humidity and temperature. All these components must be configured to create your inventions. That's why the Electrolab case has a revolutionary method of circuit configuration. Something as simple as a switch. Each element on the board has an associated switch that will allow you to activate it in a very simple way. Do you want to activate the light sensor? As simple as clicking. At the top of our case, you will discover the starter kit, inside which you will find everything you need to get the most out of your case. From the USB connection cable for charging and programming Electrolab to prototyping cables. The electronic vitamins bag with different components to make your prototypes and the instruction manual where we explain the infinite possibilities of this case. This is the presentation of the Electrolab case. If you want to learn how to use it, discover it with Hello Blocks, a new programming platform for blocks to unleash your imagination in a simple and intuitive way.